Din, do you want to come with?
Hell yeah!
See you later. We're going to Wales. We made it to Wales.
Hello.
Let's go. Hello. The first mountain we're climbing is Fanny Big, but we don't even know where it is, and none of us have signal.
We're going to have to go up to one of the people in the car park and ask where the big fanny is.
We're going to find the Big Fanny, and then walk to it, and then climb the Big Fanny. This is Eggy, by the way. So the plan of action is we're going to go on a big 7-hour walk, and then we're going to set up a camp by a lake, and yeah, wild camp.
What the fuck's all that?
Construction.
What are they constructing?
Big Tesla.
Oh god.
I need one around here.
Are they going to put a big petrol station on here as well?
Could do with a Mackey's at the top, to be fair.
Definitely.
Aye, aye, aye. We made it to the top. No, we didn't.
No, we haven't.
We made it a lot of the way up the first mountain.
I don't think this is.
Oh fuck!
I don't even think this is a mountain. I think this is a hill.
You might be right, but I'm calling it a win.
Fucking steep hill.
Should we just get like a cut out photo of us and put us on the top of the hill and then pretend that we made it?
Yeah. I think it's because none of us slept very well.
I wonder who fucking found out words.
Yeah, someone was snoring.
I slept fine.
There's a dog!
Oh my god, it's
Dog!
fucking
Hello, ducky! Oh!
Oh shit, I didn't even know they could fly.
This is beautiful. The song going.
You are the monster.
I'm a monster. Oh, glad.
I'm friends with the monster.
How is it? It's the nicest dragon soup I've had, actually, to be fair. Venom flavour.
Have some.
Yeah.
Is that even supposed to be?
Is it?
Dry little shit, go on.
So that's Penny Fan. Back to where it all began. Back to where the adventure started, James.
The saying was interesting. Do you remember when we went up and I said, Dave, look interesting? You went, no. That's what you wanted to see, and I was going to go and see. Idiot. I went up and had a look, and it didn't look very interesting.
So, if everything goes to plan, our campsite is at that lake somewhere.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. What's in the bag? It's all tied up. Who brought this uphill? We're so high up.
Yeah, helicopter to be completely honest.
A helicopter? But why? It's crosses.
Look, there's crosses.
This is sick.
I'm not saying anytime we do,
Quite cool though.
why should I do it?
Hello.
There's no reason for it. You gotta do something.
Made it to the diving board.
Are you here for the big funny goon?
Right, we've decided not to go up. What's that mountain called again? Cribbin. Because it's getting late in the day. We've still got like a good 2-hour
If
walk
we didn't
back to
find
the
that
car.
wall,
Yeah, and there's this sick wall down here that we want to. Apparently it's like a reservoir. It's a sick wall we want to do.
maybe that
Before
is
the
the
sun's
maybe
set.
that's the reservoir that we're going to camp at.
No,
It
maybe it's
could
the
be.
entrance.
It may well be.
Maybe it's the entrance of it, but I saw it. The wall is where the car is over all the way over there. I think. But it could be the entry of it.
I think it's where we're going to camp. Oh, we found a path.
That wall is like something else.
It looks like a Harry Potter thing, doesn't it?
Where even is it? I can't see
It's
it.
that wall over there.
I don't know.
Scar. Yeah. We've decided to fucking go straight down the mountain and just beeline it down the borderline cliff. Will's fucking just ran straight down. I'm a bit home day drinking right now. Having a whack. Beating it, playing Fortnite, cracking nuts. Cracking my hockey cream. Oh my god, it's getting fucked. No! I'm so proud of you! He's asking me to fucking run down this bullshit. Oh, my hands are so cold! Why would a horse want to be here? Surely they can just gallop away and find somewhere else. It's so cold! Ah! My hand is literally about to fucking fall off. no returning. We could have been climbing up that other fucking mountain. But to be fair, it would have been a lot worse to climb down that mountain than this one if you think about it.
That's like sheer up.
But to be fair, we would have just gone that way. We could have just gone the fucking normal path. Right, I'm just following the wheel.
We've just had to like go down a complete swamp. The others are still attempting to get down. I sort of just oh, they're going all the way back up. I've made it down to the reservoir, but I just sort of balls to the walls it and fucking got soggy doing it. When in Wales, eh? Oh, I'm saying I've been to Wales so much recently. This year we've been to like Wales on this channel like 4 times, something like that. Mad. This place is so sick. It's like, I don't know, it's such a cool vibe to it. It's like magical. There's like a little campfire here. All these trees look like they're so old. And look, there's even this bloody upended tree. It's obviously taken loads of ground with it because of the roots. But yeah, look at it, man. This place, I don't know, there's a really cool vibe to it. And yeah, we've obviously got the reservoir over there. I'm going to try and get on that. Yeah, man, this is beautiful. This is one of my favourite walks so far. Yeah. Look at that change up in weather, man. Wow, sun's come out. I wonder if I can get onto this. I don't know. It looks like it's gated off. Should be a sad shame, but at least I can still fly the drone out. Look what I have found. as if I saw it and I was like, I have to come. That's so sick. Got a little chair. What a view. Man. Wow. Oh. Cheers. Ah, devastating.
I'll bring an angle for it.
Right, cut to drone shots.
Nothing
Funny seeing you and PJ.
Yeah.
When we're camping, please wear the Scooby-Doo one.
I am. Got a surprise for you guys later. Oh, this is yucky. You good getting up there? Let's go. Look at that. It does look like something out of the Blair Witch. It's just a true route. Oh no! I just got out the bog and now my legs are...
Yeah, we got out and then just beeline straight back in it.
Yeah, I just went for it. I just thought, fuck it. This is cool. Those trees are gonna fucking bloody fall down on us if we're not careful.
I'll tell you what.
I'm on 15%.
I'll tell you what. If that's the fucking,
James,
if it's done that to the bastard,
I think we need to just go through.
get lost in the woods.
Yeah.
At night.
I don't even have a torch. I think up there, fuck going back down and then back up again. Let's just... Hopefully, if it's too boggy, then yeah, I agree. But like, if we can, if there's no... No. Don't be silly. Oh.
I just heard a lot of
Going out into the woods today. See what we can find. We're going out into the woods today to see what we can find.
If we get lost in the woods, that would not be a farm. We get lost in a forest.
This is not what I wanted to happen.
No, neither.
Oh, it's because they bloody cut down all the bloody trees.
Yeah, what are we doing?
This is retarded. On record now.
Guys, just...
The one that led us on the path to fucking
Yeah,
nowhere.
I'm making...
Playing well.
This is a bit
expedition.
fucked. Hold on.
This is funny.
It is.
I say we stop as little as we can. Yeah, we'll down that.
I don't know how much longer I can.
Forest is getting a bit spookier. It's getting darker. Especially on your own, it's a bit strange. But it's all good. Nothing can hurt me. It's not like we're in bloody America. Not any fucking bears. Yeah, chilling. Just breathe. James! James! Safe to say they're not close. Bit concerning, but this is my only way through now. I've gone too far, but it's all good. It's all good, just lost in the woods. Not lost, as long as you keep going in one direction. Imagine it's like a Blair Witch situation. This becomes like found footage of me. It's kind of creepy in here.
Do you want to explain what's happened? Explain what's happened.
Slap nuts. Just got lost in the woods.
Yeah, Will has decided it'd be really good, a really good idea to go into that forest over there. With no way out, no path, and it's just thick, bushy forest. So we're fucked.
So-
Look, we're alright, we're alright.
You don't know
Yeah,
if we're
I'm fine,
actually
I've still
going to
got two
find
sausage
him
rolls.
again.
Right, I haven't filmed in a while. They thought I was dead on a mountain. Dead or worse. Basically, I got, as you saw in the video, I got caught in the fucking dense forest and just couldn't get out. And I was just, I ran like 8k to get back to the car. Sun's nearly down, so we need to fucking pitch the tent. But yeah, safely home. Hi, it's Future Will here. James has requested that I show you my legs after the forest incident.